Hi and welcome to this video where we'll explore the powerful concept of SWOT analysis. This timeless tool has helped countless businesses, teams, and individuals make smarter, more strategic decisions. Today, we'll dive into its core principles, the steps to conduct a SWOT analysis, real-world applications, and how to use its insights effectively. Let's start with the basics. What is SWOT analysis? SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a strategic framework that provides a balanced view of your internal and external environment, helping you understand where you stand and how to move forward. Strengths and weaknesses are internal factors you can control, like skills, resources, or processes. Opportunities and threats, on the other hand, come from external influences, like market trends or competition. But why is SWOT analysis so important, and where does it come from? The real power of this tool lies in its practicality. SWOT bridges the gap between understanding and action. By analyzing your internal strengths and weaknesses alongside external opportunities and threats, you can align your decisions with your goals. Now, let's break down the components of SWOT analysis. Strengths. These are your internal advantages, like a skilled workforce, a strong brand, or innovative products. For example, Apple's brand reputation and Tesla's cutting-edge technology are strengths that drive their success. Weaknesses. These are internal factors that limit your potential. Common examples include poor customer service, outdated technology, or inefficiencies in processes. Identifying weaknesses isn't about criticism, it's about acknowledging what needs improvement. Opportunities. These are external conditions you can capitalize on. Emerging markets, new consumer trends, or advancements in technology often create opportunities for growth. For example, the rise of remote work opened doors for companies offering collaboration tools and virtual services. Threats. These are external risks or challenges that could hinder success. Think of new competitors, economic downturns, or changes in regulations. By identifying threats early, you can develop strategies to mitigate them. However, let's understand how to conduct a SWOT analysis. 1. Define your objective. Whether you're launching a product, setting a business strategy, or planning a personal goal, it's important to clarify what you're analyzing. 2. Gather insights from stakeholders. For a business, this could include employees, managers, and customers. For personal goals, it might involve mentors or colleagues. 3. Create a SWOT matrix. Divide your insights into 4 quadrants: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This visual tool helps you see the big picture clearly. 4. Brainstorm and list items under each category. Be specific and focus on the factors that truly matter to your goals. 5. Prioritize and focus. Identify the most significant points in each quadrant to guide your next steps. The key to making SWOT actionable is translating insights into strategy. Here are some examples. Match strengths with opportunities. If you have a talented R&D team and see demand for innovation, focus on developing cutting-edge products. Address weaknesses. If customer service is a problem, invest in training or hire experienced staff. Prepare for threats. If regulatory changes are a concern, ensure compliance by updating your processes or hiring experts. Now, let's look at how SWOT applies across different contexts. Business strategy. A company entering a new market might identify strengths like a strong brand and opportunities like untapped demand, while addressing weaknesses like limited local experience. Product development. By analyzing strengths like unique technology and threats like competitive pressures, businesses can tailor products to meet market needs. Marketing campaigns. SWOT can help identify the best channels and messages to reach target audiences while addressing weaknesses like limited digital presence. Personal development. Individuals can use SWOT to evaluate their skills, identify career opportunities, and address gaps in experience. Let's also explore why SWOT analysis is such a popular and enduring tool. Simplicity and accessibility. The framework is straightforward and easy to understand, requiring no technical expertise. Its simplicity allows teams to focus on key insights without being overwhelmed by complex data. Encourages collaboration and creativity. By involving diverse stakeholders, SWOT fosters brainstorming and innovative thinking, uncovering ideas and solutions that might otherwise be missed. Balances internal and external factors. SWOT examines both internal strengths and weaknesses, alongside external opportunities and threats, providing a comprehensive strategic overview. Supports strategic planning and risk management. SWOT helps prioritize resources, address risks, and identify growth opportunities. It transforms insights into actionable strategies, enabling organizations to align efforts with goals and adapt proactively to challenges. This versatility makes SWOT analysis a cornerstone of effective decision-making and planning. Limitations of SWOT analysis. While SWOT is powerful, it's not perfect. It's a snapshot in time and doesn't account for changing dynamics. It can also oversimplify complex situations or rely too heavily on subjective opinions. To overcome these limitations, use data to back your analysis, revisit it regularly, and pair it with other tools like PESTLE or Porter's 5 Forces for a more comprehensive view. Tips for conducting an effective SWOT analysis. Involve diverse participants. Include individuals from various departments as well as external stakeholders. Their perspectives uncover blind spots and enrich the analysis. Rely on data, not assumptions. Base your analysis on reliable metrics to ensure accuracy and actionable insights. Update regularly. Revisit your SWOT analysis periodically or after significant changes to keep strategies relevant. Combine with other tools. Pair SWOT with frameworks like PESTLE, Porter's 5 Forces, or balanced scorecards for deeper insights. SWOT is more than an analysis tool. It's a dynamic framework for aligning actions with goals, adapting to change, and driving sustained growth. By comparing SWOT with PESTLE analysis, Porter's 5 Forces, and the TOWS matrix, we can better understand how these tools differ, complement each other, and serve unique purposes in strategy formulation. SWOT versus PESTLE analysis. SWOT and PESTLE are both essential for strategic planning, but they focus on different aspects. SWOT analysis evaluates both internal factors, like strengths and weaknesses, and external influences, such as opportunities and threats. This makes it highly practical for aligning strategies with immediate goals. PESTLE analysis examines broader macro-environmental factors, including political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental trends. It provides long-term insights into external forces shaping the market. SWOT versus Porter's 5 Forces both analyze external influences but differ in focus. SWOT analysis identifies internal capabilities and external conditions, helping businesses understand their overall position. Porter's 5 Forces dives into competitive dynamics within an industry, assessing threats from new entrants, substitutes, supplier power, buyer power, and industry rivalry. By combining these tools, organizations can leverage SWOT to align internal strengths with external opportunities, while using Porter's model to navigate competitive pressures and sustain long-term profitability. SWOT versus TOWS matrix. The TOWS matrix builds on SWOT analysis by transforming insights into actionable strategies. It focuses on leveraging internal strengths to counter threats and turn challenges into opportunities. TOWS encourages businesses to move beyond analysis, fostering resilience and proactive adaptation to an evolving environment. Each of these tools serves a distinct purpose in strategic planning. SWOT provides a balanced internal and external analysis. PESTLE offers long-term context. Porter's 5 Forces addresses competitive pressures, and TALS transforms challenges into strategic opportunities. For more information, you can check article attached with very detailed information. Do not forget to subscribe and follow up us for more video.